Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your OneNote app. So all you have to we're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just click on settings. So then it's going to take you to next here. Then all you have to do, just go down here, you come here to OneNote page, click in this sign, and like you see this color show for us, that's mean here, here that's mean it's enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. Here can you give it this, so you here can you tap the OneNote page and take note anytime without opening OneNote. So you just here can you just sort it here, then you click here on open settings. So then it's going to add video here, it's going to take you to this list. Then here can you enable, here you're looking for uh, OneNote here, you enable it. So I'm going to looking for it here, so you enable it here, then it's going to enable video. So like you see, it's enabled with us. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.